In March of 2020, the Sensiba Center for Sustainability partnered with the business journals to conduct a study into the relevance, awareness, and implementation of sustainability in businesses. Individuals from a variety of industries, company sizes, and job seniority levels responded, and the results demonstrated the importance of sustainability initiatives to the future of business in the region. 77% of respondents noted that they were aware of their company's sustainability initiatives, and nearly all agreed that those actions are important. 68% of companies had a defined sustainability strategy, and most had goals in place to measure progress. Almost all are currently focused on ethics and integrity initiatives, with a further 3% planning to do so in the next 1 to 2 years. But of those who were unaware of sustainability initiatives at their company, half described a lack of engagement as a barrier to potential initiatives. To view the full report and find more detailed insights, visit the link on the screen.